So I want to do this quick little video on how to use my lip scrub. And today I'll be using the peppermint lip scrub, and I'll also be showing you guys how I'm going to take out my hair for today. So yeah, so here's my lip scrub. I love this stuff. Honestly, a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot. So first, what I usually do is I start by moistening my lips. You can lick them, you can wet them with water if you want to. It is completely up to you. I usually just take my finger and get some out like this, and just put it on my lips. And you can use as much as you like. It's up to you. Depends how dry your lips get. It's starting to get cold, especially here in North Carolina, so I mean, it's up to you how much you want to use. I don't use a lot because I mean, I don't really need a lot, but all I do is I just put it on my lips and I just scrub, get all the dead skin off, or at least to bring all the dead skin up, because I mean, even when you're sleeping, your lips get dry. You know, you have to wear masks and stuff now, so your lips are still very dry underneath the mask. So this kind of helps getting all that dead skin build up and dryness out. And so next, what I do is I just wipe it off. You can use a washcloth or you can use a wet paper towel. I choose to wet it, that's just me. You don't have to wet it if you don't want to, but I just find that easier, you know, getting it off to wet it. And it also helps. And I'm done. Some little leftover sugar, but I'm done with that. And then I'm just gonna put on some lip therapy. Yeah, honestly guys, my lips feel great. So now we're gonna get into my hair. So I did my hair, I believe I did my hair Sunday night. And all I did was I braided the top, and then everything else is twisted. I have some ready to be today, so I'm not gonna leave it in twist. I just wore it to work like this. And the only things I used on my hair was Clean Slate, which is a stabilizing cleanser for your hair. Some Effigy 2-step conditioner, and I detangled with, my hair was already wet, I just detangled with my shea butter, and it's just pure whipped shea butter, and I twisted it. So now I'm just gonna go in with some oil because my scalp is dry. And this is a mix of oils that I mixed up. It'll be on my website soon. If not by the end of this year, it will definitely be up there next year. So I've gotten like all of my supplies together. So yeah. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this oil and rub it in my hands so you can see. Just gonna take these out.
Let's get married.